Nature allows us to step away from the demands of daily life. It comforts us and calms our nervous system. Nature can help fight chronic diseases, relieve mental stress and depression, promote faster healing, stronger immune systems, and more. Nature can be peaceful, romantic, and refreshing. Nature provides great stress relief by enabling us to remove ourselves from the things that causes us stress. In English literature, several prominent poets wrote about nature. One of them is William Wordsworth. He is also called the poet of nature. One of Wordsworth's most famous poems, I Wandered Lonely as a Cloud, is about the bird's kinship with the nature. Come forth into the light of things. Let nature be your teacher, said by William Wordsworth. Nature never did betray the heart that loved her, again said by William Wordsworth. He further said, suffering is permanent, obscure and dark, and shares the nature of infinity. Even in The American Scholar, Emerson said, the influence of nature upon the scholar's mind are of great importance because he derives important knowledge from her. Nature plays a great part in his education. According to him, studying nature becomes equivalent to studying himself. The old concept, know thyself, become identical with study nature. Nature is the source of ever-expanding knowledge for the scholar. Emerson said, so much of nature as he is ignorant of, so much of his own mind does he not yet possess.